We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彤。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And today, let's talk about this event that I read about. And it's going on all the way to the end of the month. It's happening in a county known as Taidong, which is the east coast of Taiwan. It's a very nice place. It's on the east coast of Taiwan. And they have a flower fest going on right now at Taidong's, the Taima village. 就是台东太麻里的这个金针花季 which, by the way, 金针花, those are called tiger lilies. And they have a sea of tiger lilies over there in Taidong's Taima village. And you can actually view this and have a lot of fun in the village all the way to the end of this month, September. By the way, it's all golden brown, so it's beautiful. And they also have other events going on. A lot of gourmet delicacies are being cooked over there. And there's also a tea known as Taifeng tea, which is a very nice tea to sip on. So if you want to plan your weekend, this might be a choice all the way to the end of this month. 台东的太麻里金针花季。所以我们来教一些生字好了。
好啊。
好不好？好，台东。
台东
Taidong. Okay, so if you ever meet a Hakka person, you want to say, I want to go to Taidong, they should know, 就是台东。Okay, 那台东的这个地方叫太麻里。
太麻里？
被太麻里哦。玛丽亚，赶快跑 ！Alice 要太麻里。什么？你们
太麻里？
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 那个太麻里？
太麻里？
哦，太麻里啊，我就知道应该是不是这，你没有那么凶狠啊。太麻里就是太麻里。Okay, the flower we're talking about is tiger lily. 金针花。
金针花。
金针花。Okay, that's the type of flower you want to go see. And by the way, it's golden brown. 所以我们以前有教过颜色，可是如果是金黄色的话呢？
金黄色。
金黄色。Okay, 金 is gold, 黄色就是黄色 yellow. So golden brown or golden yellow. That's the color that you'll see. All right, let's review those words again. 台东。
台东。
台东。然后被太麻里哦。太麻里。
Yeah.
就是太麻里 that's the village that you have to go to. 金针花。
金针花。
金针花 that's tiger lily. And golden brown.
金黄色。
金黄色。All right, I hope you enjoy your weekend. And that does it for a Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.